how to fix the app not installed or package error problem on Android. This tutorial shows you how to clear app data and adjust system settings to resolve installation errors on your Android device. First, uninstall the app that's showing the installation error from your device. After that, go to your Android settings and tap on Apps. From there, search for Chrome and tap on it. At this point, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Cache, and then tap Clear All Data. In the next step, go back to the Apps list and search for Install Unknown Apps and make sure it is set to Allow. Following this, go back and search for Google Play Store and tap on it. Once done, find Change System Settings and make sure it is set to Allow. From here, go back to the Apps list, search for Install Unknown Apps, and tap on it. Once completed, tap on My Files and turn on the Allow from this source option. Finally, go back to your Android settings, tap on Software Update, check for any available updates and install if there are any. Then restart your device. The package error should now be resolved. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your app installation error, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.